Hello everyone, I hope you are fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah, who is entirely merciful and specially merciful. So here I am, this is Arif. Today I would like to talk about something front of the camera, front of you. And today the day was fantastic for me, but it was not special for me. And I think this day was very, very special for someone. That's why there are so many people observe different kind of program today. And like my friend called me yesterday and told me, yeah, I'm just observing 31st night of January in 2024. So I don't think that that is, we have to observe, we have to welcome the 2024 this year in special way. I think every year is the same. And also I like the Islamic culture, I support the Islamic culture. That's why I think this is not allowed in Islamic culture, 31st night. And also you have to eat different kind of things, you have to eat different kind of foods for the first on January. And that's why I don't like that especially. This is my opinion. So what is your opinion? You can leave in your comment section as well. So do you like 31st night, or do you like you have to eat different kind of foods, you have to travel with your girlfriend, and also you have to observe different kind of program? Do you like you have to do this kind of things? So if you like, you can leave a comment in comment section. Also if you don't like, if you agree with me, you can also comment in comment section. But for me, this is my opinion, I don't like that because I follow Islamic culture all the time. This is a bid'at. I will say that it's a bid'at. In Islamic culture, Islam calls that it's a bid'at. You don't have to observe this kind of program if you want to follow the Islam properly. Okay, we have not learned from the Islamic culture, so that's why I don't support that. And although I would like to say that today was very, very foggy day, and also it was very freezing day in my area, because last 3 days the day was sunny day, fantastic day, it was very, very clear day. But from today it's a foggy day. I think it will continue, tomorrow will be the same, and it will be also foggy day. And that's why we are feeling some freezing in my area right now. So from tomorrow I have a new plan, and I have a new future from tomorrow. And in this year I have so many works, so many plans, because I wanna complete my book in this year especially. That's why I'm working. Pray for me so that I can continue the same thing and I can complete my book in this year. That's why I'm working. And also I have so many tuition and also students for teaching in this year. I have so many responsibility for the students. I have to teach them properly. So pray for me so that I can teach them properly, and also I can give the good education, especially that is very important for the nation. Okay, so do you like spoken English? All the time I like spoken English, and I'm trying to improve my spoken English skills. I'm pursuing to improve my spoken English skills all the time. That's why I think it's very, very significant for talking in front of the camera. And when I get my free time, whenever I visit my area, I try to capture myself in front of the camera. I try to record myself in front of the camera, so that I can just get what is my pronunciation, what is my voice, and what I'm mistaking all the time. That's why I try to find this kind of things. Although if you want to speak English fluently, if you have a future goal, if you want to learn English, so you need to record yourself, you need to practice English front of the camera, and as well front of the mirror. It will be very, very significant for you. So my dear brothers and sisters, today I just talked with you for some times about 31st night, and also about on 1st January, what you have to do, what you don't have to do, what is bid'at. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you very soon with this kind of topic again. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.